Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of iDevice Guide. This is Puneet Khatri back with another video. So basically guys, you might be knowing that Apple recently launched iOS 11.2.5 Developer Preview 7. So basically this is also known as the Golden Master, which is known as the final version before the public launch of the iOS version. But many of you guys itself would like to install these developer preview, get the early access to these software versions, and you can also check around and play around with these softwares. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and install iOS 11.2.5 Developer Preview 7 or the Golden Master version without even signing up for the developer account, or like get it for free and without using any computer. So guys, without wasting any bit of time, let's get started and roll the intro. Okay, so guys, in order to go ahead and get started, there will be a link down in the description. Just open that on your iPhone, and once you open this, hit on download. Once you hit on download, it would ask you for a pop-up. Just tap allow, and once you tap allow, now you need to select iPhone. If you have an Apple Watch paired with the device, in case I have it, that's why it's showing me this option. Otherwise, if you don't have one, it won't show you this pop-up. Just tap iPhone, go ahead and tap on install profile, enter the passcode of your device, and you should be good to go. Like again, you get to tap on install, again install, and restart your device. Okay, so guys, once your device reboots and everything goes well, just tap on settings, general, software updates, and here you should see, as you can see right here, iOS 11.2.5 developer beta 7, or like by the build number we get to know that this is a Golden Master version. But you can just go ahead and tap on download and install, and just install next, and it would successfully go ahead and download and install iOS 11.2.5 developer preview or like beta version 7 onto your iPhone. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was all about how to install iOS 11.2.5 developer preview 7 or Golden Master version on your iOS device. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give a thumbs up to this video. Make sure to subscribe by iDevice Guide. The subscribe button will be down right there, because we have really great content coming up. And like also, if you have some questions, you want to ask me something, comment down below. Also share this video with you guys, or share this on your social media platform, so also your friends get to know and they can also try the new version before the public release. That's about it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll get back to you guys later in my next video. Peace out.